Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give four numbers, and then our program will add the sum of the four numbers using pointers in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so basically guys, I'm using Microsoft Visual C++, no, 2010 Express Edition in writing this program. So we have here the standard library, std-dar fx.h, no, for Visual C++. Sharply code I used aim for input output sharp include connu.h for console, no. So here we have here the generated by Visual C++ the main function, and then I declare five variables num1 num2 num3 and num4, and then we have an assignment statement sum. So we have here the pointers to hold the address of the number, pointer 1, pointer 2, 3 and 4. So here reading for inputs, we have here the declaration $PTR1, $PTR2, $PTR3, and $PTR4. So the title bar program addition of four numbers using pointers in C++ enter four numbers. In this line of code, we perform addition of the sum of PTR1, PTR2, star PTR3, and PTR4. So here we display the result here. Getche will display on the screen, no? And will not terminate. Return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close the main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us click the play button here to run our code. It's running right now. Addition of four numbers using pointers in C++, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum of 5, 6, 7, 8 is 26. Another example, 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of 1, 2, 3, and 4 is 10. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of four numbers using pointers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.